Hello and welcome to this beautiful edition of Adrian Careers Agency, your number one careers methods shopping center. Well, very many people have been asking me, what's Adrian Careers? What I meaning? Adrian Careers, it's quite a very formidable agency which is here to provide your career choices, your career solutions, your career methods in life. No matter where you are in your career, chances are you are in need of a little motivation to get to the next step, to go for the job you actually love waking up for, to ask for that promotion, to figure out what you should be doing with your life, or to just push through a rough day. Career guidance is a comprehensive developmental program designed to assist you, the individuals, in making and implementing informed educational and occupational choices. In simple terms, you realize it's a journey in which people develop to make mature and informed decisions. I've been doing a lot of work since I was born, since I left university, to the level which I've reached so far. I'm a lecturer in Chambogo University in the Department of Psychology. I'm a counseling psychologist. I'm a journalist. I do business. So I've tried very many careers, but ideally, there are always questions running in my mind that we do very many things, but do we know the 10 most important things you need to live a fulfilling life? So I have my list. Personally, it's up to you either to take it or not, but I have my list. 10 most important things you need to live a fulfilling life. Now, among the 10, that's where I got one aspect which is quite formidable and important for an individual to live a fulfilling life, which is career. I know there is health, there is family, there is friends, there is purpose, there is food, water, there is freedom and peace, there is self-development, there is love, there is faith. But number 3 in that list, number 3, career. So Adrian Careers provide you a very formidable, straight, explained program which you can use, which can help you to achieve your dream career. Have you ever wondered? Have you ever figured out your big talent? I always tell people, if you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. I repeat, if you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. But I normally tell people that issues of career, they are rolling in your hands. We are living in the country whereby parents decide for us what to do. It's quite unfortunate. Very many people are leaving the jobs. We who teach in the university, we find amazing, but again, we find our students in a sorry state. Someone is being forced to do a career program which he doesn't want. It explains why very many people are dropping out of the educational institutions. It explains why very many people don't love the jobs they're doing. It explains why we have high staff turnover. It starts as an intention, but again, we have very many people leaving their jobs. We have various unemployment rates in this country. Do you want to do business? Is there any career choice? Do you have any career dream you feel like you want to chase? Now, Adrian Careers provide a wonderful explained out career guidance programs in schools. We've moved to very many schools, and I appreciate the very many schools we've worked with. It has been a formidable experience with you, sharing our ideas with your students. And guess what? We've planned for your future. And very many people have found employment. We have seen promising results in schools, in decreasing school dropouts rates, and giving youth means to find out employment in Uganda. Nearly 2/3 of the Uganda's population, they are below 35 years, meaning if the Uganda's economy is supposed or is to continue growing, it needs motivated young professionals who have skills and education. So Adrian Careers for 2019, It has enjoyed an excellent reputation for producing high caliber graduates who pursue university education. We've provided students programs which engage students in subject choices. We've helped schools in doing university applications and career decisions through formative years of secondary education. We organize career tests. We organize career counseling programs. We've done parental discussions in terms of career. We've organized career talks. We've done students profiling. We advise on option selections. We organize talks by university representatives from Uganda and abroad. We have annual careers day. We help people get scholarships for those who want to go for further careers. That's why our saying is dream, explore, and inspire. If you don't feel it, free from it. Go where you are celebrated, not merely tolerated. It's always my quote. If you don't feel it, I'm talking to you who is doing a career and you feel like, indeed, this is not working out for me. Why are you there? If you don't feel it, free from it. Go where you are celebrated, not merely tolerated. And by the way, remember, as a careers expert with experience in higher institutions of learning in this country and in the region per se, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Yeah? Because I always tell people I'm not a product of my circumstances. I'm a product of my decisions. And it's never too late to be what you might have been. And if it scares you, it might be a good thing to try. So we have very many specialities. I have a good motivated team to provide you a career choices. Now, schools, individuals, try us. You can raise me, you can come to my inbox, you can call me. We shall be providing you our details on how to reach Adrian Careers. We provide simply career methods, career solutions in this country. My name is Kakinda Adrian, the CEO of Adrian Careers, and I have a great team over to you and my team. Thanks for the beautiful work you've done this year. We are resuming our activities next year. Therefore, if you're a school, your educational institution, a group of people, an individual, feel free to link with us next year. Include us in your program at a fee for sure. Bye bye.